collide like thunder, tearing me apart. A redhead girl, she haunts my every dream. Love and pain entwine, nothing's as it seems. Whispers in the shadows, shadows in the light. She's a melody that lingers, haunting every night. Fighting in my head, can't escape this plight. Redhead girl, you set my soul alight. But the battle's never ending, always in despair. A world without your presence, just a vacant stare. Fantasies and fears, they dance like stars in pain. Her fiery hair ignites the memories that remain. Heart against heart, in a cage of bittersweet. Every smile I chased feels like the slow defeat. Torn between the laughter and the tears we brew. In this endless conflict, all I want is you. Fighting in my head, can't escape this plight. Red-haired girl, you set my soul alight. But the battle's never ending, awake in despair. A world without your presence, just a vacant stare. Two sides of my heart echo in the dark, forever lost in thought, searching for a spark.